Are you experiencing Fire Stick issues with Hulu? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check internet connection. If you are experiencing issues with Hulu app on your Fire Stick such as buffering, connection errors or the app crashing, first of all check the internet connection. Ensure your Fire Stick is connected to a stable internet connection. You can check your internet speed using websites like speedtest.net from your mobile or PC. You can also run a speed test from Fire Stick. Open Settings from Fire TV Stick Home. Now select Network. Next, select your preferred Wi-Fi network and press the play or pause button on your remote. Now run a speed test and ensure high-speed internet connectivity. Method 2. Check for server issues. Sometimes the issue may be on Hulu's end. Check Hulu's X handle or websites like Down Detector to see if there are any reported outages. Method 3. Restart the Hulu app. Sometimes simply restarting the app can fix temporary glitches. You can do this by navigating to Settings, then go to Applications, then Manage Installed Applications and then select Hulu. Next, select Force Stop. Method 4. Restart your Fire Stick. To resolve minor glitches that can be responsible for the error, power off the device, unplug it from power for a few minutes, and then plug it back in and power it on again. Now relaunch the app on which you are getting the error and check. Method 5. Clear cache and data. The next thing you can do is clear the app cache. To do so, navigate to Settings, then select Applications, then select Manage Installed Applications. Next, select the problematic app. Here, we are selecting this app as an example. Then click on Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This can help remove bugs and glitches associated with the app. This can help resolve temporary glitches. Method 6. Update the app and Fire Stick. Go to Settings, then select My Fire TV and then About. And then check for updates. If any update is available, install it. For Hulu, check for updates in the Amazon App Store. Update Fire Stick apps automatically. Go to Settings by selecting the gear icon. Then select Applications. Next, select App Store. If the automatic updates option is turned off, turn it on. Update Fire Stick apps manually. From home screen, go down to find the recently used apps. Press the 3 bars icon on the remote and hold it down for few seconds. At the bottom, you should see More Info option appearing. Select that. This should load up the app page. If any update button is available, select that to update the app. If the app is already updated, you should see the Open button. Method 7. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Applications. Select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app you want to uninstall and then uninstall. Here we are showing this app as an example. Follow the on-screen instructions. Install the app again and see if the error persists this time. Method 8. Contact Hulu support. If none of the shown methods could resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Hulu customer support for further assistance. They may provide specific troubleshooting steps based on your account and device. And there you have it, the ways to fix Fire Stick issues with Hulu. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.